Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton here to help you break those chains of unbelief and start allowing abundance to flow in every area of your life using very simple processes. So I just wanted to share with you really quickly, I made a post in the group this morning and about refraining from adding things to the whiteboard. Okay, so we either operate from the divine or from data, and if you will just take one day just to see who's adding something to the whiteboard, or who's encouraging you to add something to the whiteboard, or if it's you adding something to the whiteboard. And so if you just look at it like this, say you're driving down the road and you see this beautiful cloud in the sky, and then you think, you know what, that cloud is beautiful, but I think it needs just a little extra something on the left side of it. That's adding something to the whiteboard. Say you see this beautiful yellow rose, and you look at that yellow rose and you think, this rose is absolutely amazing, but I think it needs 5 more petals to really make it stand out. You adding 5 more petals is adding something to the whiteboard. Say you get in your car, you're going to program your GPS to Houston, Texas. So you program that information in, and then you are receiving instructions, and then you say, oh, I think I'm going to take a shortcut and take Route 5 instead of taking Route 10. That's adding something to the whiteboard. And so just for one day, see if it's you adding something to the whiteboard, or if it's someone else encouraging you to add something to the whiteboard. I'd love to connect with you. My number is 618-223-6006. My website is marlenab.clearlythebest.com. I hope your day is fantastic. I hope your year is fantastic. I am absolutely 100% committed to keeping things as simple as they are. So, have a fun day. I love you. God bless you. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.